Kenwood.
This is a demonstration of the KAS-12. It's a smart battery charger monitoring software. I have 4 chargers plugged in. I have a hot USB with the 4 chargers set up. I can click on one of the chargers. I can do settings, individual write. This is where I can type in a name, JVCKENWOOD. I can choose either full capacity or long life. Full capacity is charging the battery to 100% capacity. Long life is 80% capacity. Reduce capacity in the battery, but increase life of the actual battery. I can choose the number of cycle counts for a warning. In this case, it's 500. When I go right, and I select the charger, it now has JVCKENWOOD that I've named it. I can put in all of the batteries into each of the individual chargers. They're all showing red, which is a good sign. And as each battery comes on, it's retrieving the information of the battery up here. So now I've got one battery waiting to be retrieved. If I click on one of the batteries, it gives me the information. I can also put an alias into the battery. So if I choose the battery, I go to settings, individual write. Now I can label the battery, Police 1. So now I can put into the alias the battery is named. I can choose the date, so today's date, the first time it's going to be used. I can write to the battery. So now when I come into here, you can see now the battery alias is Police 1. It tells me all 4 batteries are being charged. It gives me the names of the other batteries, the alias. It tells me the model numbers of each one, gives me the serial number, the time to full charge, current charge percentage, battery health. I get the current voltage of all the batteries, the cycle counts, how many times the battery's been charged and discharged. I can also get the temperature of the battery, the insertion time when the battery was inserted into the charger. It'll also tell me when it's finalized, when it's complete, and the date that it was first used. If I want to change the different settings, this is where I can choose either everything can be shown, or I can choose to remove certain features and only see less information on the battery. I can do a graph of the battery, see the battery age, battery health, battery current, cycle count. I can come back and look at each of the individual chargers and back to the batteries. Everything the KAS-12 can do is also stored in the battery. So with the NX5000, when you power on the radio, it powers on and it gives you the indication of the capacity of the battery, so you're not guessing what the battery capacity is. You can go into the menu, choose the battery information if it's been programmed into the radio. When you go there, it matches the information on the KAS-12. It gives you the percentage of charge, how many times the battery's been charged, the health of the actual battery. You can scroll down, get the voltage, the temperature, the chemistry, lithium ion. This is a lithium ion battery. Scroll down again, you can get the serial number, the model number, the first use. This is the date that the KAS-12 was used to program the battery information. And when you come down the next one, the last thing gives you the alias, that it can be up to 20 characters within the battery, also programmed by the KAS-12.
Kenwood.